He only participated because he was told the U.S. had approved of it. Finally, it's worth knowing that the assassins were brought in by a U.S.-based mercenary firm. So with that context, consider this testimony given in March at a little-noticed House Foreign Affairs Committee hearing headlined Policy Recommendations on Haiti for the Biden Administration. So, Kim,
why can't we just leave things alone?
Right,
you know,
right.
like what is our interest in Haiti anyway? You know, like at this point, why do we want to continue to destabilize this country? What is the point?
Well, I think we're, for one, still angry that they freed themselves from slavery a little more than 200 years ago.
That just seems so, I mean, that was so long ago. You know, it's like, get over it. I just don't feel like, I don't know, there just has to be something else there for us to continue to want to meddle. I mean, even though, yeah, I get it. The U.S. government is saying, no, we had nothing to do with this, but all signs are pointing